Hi, I'm Kathy Dise, and welcome to another BudgetEase broadcast. Today we're diving into the topic of who is the ideal BudgetEase client. After 15 years of experience, we have a pretty good idea. You're a good fit if you have a passion for growing your organization. Most of our clients generate between $700,000 to $6 million in annual revenue or grants, or hope to be there soon. They appreciate clean financial information and a regular rhythm to review it. Another attribute of an ideal client is someone looking for a better way to do things. The organizations we work with are interested in leveraging technology to save time and get better information. Some people think their financial information is a total disaster. That's something that we've never seen anything like this before, more challenging. They've tried to do it themselves or got stuck with someone who didn't know what they were doing. If this is you, we would love to help. We're also looking for organizations who want cost-effective solutions, but not the least expensive one. We act as an extension of your team, costing much less than hiring an employee, and you don't have to worry about benefits or training. If a BudgetEase consultant takes another position or gets sick, another trained consultant smoothly takes their place. We save you time because you never have to hire or train a bookkeeper again. If this sounds like you, we'd love to chat about utilizing BudgetEase for your ongoing bookkeeping, catch-up, or advisory accounting services. We don't prepare taxes or submit payroll because we want to focus all our time on efficiently utilizing QuickBooks for our clients. I hope this BudgetEase broadcast was helpful. Here at BudgetEase, we offer a range of financial support and bookkeeping services. If you need a great bookkeeping teammate, give us a call. We're here to help. And thanks for tuning in. We look forward to working with you. So see you next time.